the harbor at night. All the boats. Everybody is going on the first trip on the Toronado of the year. KJ Magnum swim baits. That's the only dude I know. But we're packing some heat. Can't wait. Can't wait to get it. I'll let you guys know how it goes tomorrow night. Later. All right, everybody.
Don Barrow to the galley. Dave Chavez to the galley.
Be the first episode of Drag Ripping Fishing of 2020. We're on the season opener of the Toronado out of Long Beach, California. We just got everybody on the boat. Everybody getting everything together.
I know my boss.
Come out here real quick. We got some gear, everybody. Yes, we've got some nice stuff. There's my shit right there, my Titan Longfall M1. Shout out to RJ. Gonna hope this combo kills it on this trip for some yellows. So, here we go. Bro. That's style.
I gotta get a yellowtail on that, man.
Dude, that's style.
I gotta try. Ain't no guarantee, but I gotta try.
Right? No shit. That is awesome. KJ Magnum swim baits, everybody.
Oh, you video recording?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, damn.
There's KJ, the man,
up?
right there.
That's right, Max. Now,
So we're gonna get into the yellowtail. There's the owner right there. Bow of the boat. Damn, it's wide open. Yeah, this is sick. Lighthouse over there. The Enterprise. The rest of the Long Beach, or yeah, Long Beach. Rest of the Long Beach fleet. Toronado, baby. Look at that. Woohoo! Everybody's pumped. Great weather. Fishing's been stellar for the past week off the islands over here. That's per reports. Bathroom. Everybody's fishing gear. Getting ready for a trip. You guys ready for some good fishing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's right.
Is that like a GoPro?
Yes, sir. Drag ripping fishing. Check it out, everybody. Beautiful this morning. Over here at San Clemente. A couple of people caught some calico this morning. One gal, Cat, she had a nice run on something. She had a lead head with squid pinned on it, and it took off on her and took her to the front of the boat, and she pulled the hook. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Beautiful scenery. A little overcasty. They found a pocket of sunlight up there. Hopefully it picks up. We're gonna go surface iron on the next toss out. So, had a bite on the dropper loop. 2 fly lines and nothing. I'm pretty sure I got hit on something because my sardine wasn't there. It wasn't no yellow because it didn't slam my shit, so. We're gonna suppose that it was probably a sheep's head or something like that nature. All right, guys. Well, when we get to the next spot, you'll see. Come on. Ooh.
Uh-oh, the lady's on. What happened? Don't touch the flag. Come on. All right, fine.
You coming under?
Hey, I was not taking it. You know better than that. Boil, starboard corner. All this flash.
I got hey guys 3 times already. Every time.
Let me go over you, bub.
There you go. There you go, baby. Let it
All
go.
right, now I'm under. I'm under. I'm under.
No, you're not.
Go, 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 go. Oh, there we go. There we go.
No, I touched that.
Yeah. Yeah. My first one. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome.
Are you on?
Yep. Oh, yeah. Coming down, coming down, coming down. Oh, hey, go over. Coming down. Oh, oh, your line's on me. Come on, let's go. Coming down.
All right, Brandon.
Yes, my first one. Damn, it feels awesome, KJ. On that fly line, baby.
I may be on you. I just got bit. Damn it.
Damn. Should I open my drag a little bit?
No. Just keep it as is. Yeah.
Oh man.
Keep it as is.
Yeah, girl.
Oh, yeah. That is awesome. Holy shit.
There's a biter.
You want to go over me?
Yeah.
Coming down.
Guys, go, Brandon. Watch.
Oh, I got somebody's line on me.
Where?
He's on me. Oh my God. That is a...
Keep the rod dead. Hold the rod up.
Coming down. Oh. God damn, that is awesome. Woo! Coming down. Under you guys. Look out. Hey, boss, up. Stalling out my fucking reel. Oh. Hey, tip up. Coming down. Oh man, that is a good one. Come back down, up everybody. Up, come on. He's running.
Go with him. Follow him.
I can't.
Let me see. I got you, brother. Take a breath. You went over here in the corner. Come here, brother. Over here. Over. Hang on. There's lights on you, but I see it, all right?
All right.
That's a good one right there. You got
My first one too.
You got one of those bass caster reels on there. I don't like those things. Come on, Don.
Oh my God, I got a...
go onto you. I'm trying to get off you.
Oh my God.
Brother, walk up, keep your line in front of you. No angles, no tangles. Yep, it's okay. I got you. Breathe. Don't worry. Keep walking up. Keep walking up. Follow your fish. Don't worry about this one.
My reel's stalling out.
Okay, loosen up your drag a little. And I need you to bring your rod tip towards me.
Okay. Okay.
Don. Hold this.
I know it, I'm waiting.
Hold this. Okay, like a glove, like a condom. Put it through like a condom. Go. All right, here, and then pass me your pole, and I'll run it. I'll meet you in the bow. Let's go. It's cool.
Oh.
I got you. All right, help Don with the gaff, actually.
Oh.
We gotta come together here, man. Come on, you guys. Come together right here. Come on.
There you go. There we go. Oh.
Come down, guys. Got fish on right here. Over. Let me get underneath you, man. Go ahead.
There we go. Starting to get some line on his ass. Holy shit, what a feeling. This is my first time.
You got that one?
This is the right way to do it, right? Just
You're doing fine, man. Lift up, one down, no slack. Doing fine.
coming down.
Let me see your drag. Okay, you're good.
Okay.
Try to keep it up here. You want to get back in that stern if you have to.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Got color. Oh my God. That is a tank.
He's doing a good job. Stay right here.
Okay. Don't go under. Come on, come back out here. We got you. Oh no! He's going straight back down. Fuck. Dude. Oh. RJ, I know you're gonna be watching this video. He didn't tell me they ran like this full. My buddy's the one that he fishes these things all the time, and he's like, you gotta stop rock fishing or halibut fishing. You go for something that gives you a fight back. And I was all like, holy shit, that is awesome.
You get like one that's like 30 pounds.
Okay, here he comes.
Is that what they usually do when they start getting closer to the surface? They just do that, that big circle like that? Come on.
Doing a good job, man. Bring him up real slow.
Want to come up?
No.
That one's feisty.
Hey, we had to talk about the gaff here last night, right?
Oh, there we go. Oh man. Yes. Look at that, GoPro universe. First one, baby. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. KJ.
Oh boy. I don't know where the staple is, but I'll put this on there. Good job, brother.
Woo! That is what I'm talking about. Holy shit. Dude, my first one, man. I love it. Holy shit.
You had him hooked perfectly, that right there.
You gotta set a plat. 22.
Come on, Jim, higher! Come on.
That back end, that's where
I know.
they're getting lit back there.
Hey, my son lost all of his.
Oh my God. Hey, yeah, do you mind if you can get a picture with me?
Here, bring it here. Bring it here.
I gotta take a.
Can you get your phone? Oh, you got your GoPro or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna get my phone and get a picture with it.
I'll wait till tag on after you're done.
All right.
Tag. Wait
Thank
till
you.
get a picture. Got that number? I got the 22 right here. Stapler's right there. Here you go. Keep one going, huh?
That made a whole trip for me right there on that first one. Oh man, thank you so much. There you go. Get it, girl. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Oh, there we go. Look out, I'm on. Fresh one. Yeah, again, that's what, hey, you're good luck. I got a stick next to you. Yeah. Come on, her. Woo! Ooh, smoke it.
Yeah, there you go.
I was like, get overexcited. Yeah, no. Oh. I'm coming down. Fresh one. RJ, you're the man, bro. Oh, no. No, I think he busted it.
I saw it fly.
It popped, yep. Yep. Coming down, guys. Over, under. Coming over. Oh. Coming down. Ooh, yeah. Yep, fresh one, baby. Had to come back real quick. I didn't think I was gonna get bit. That was like 100 yards out, and then he finally slammed it. Oh, you're on me, Bubba. Don't. There you go. Come over. There we go. Yeah, get some. Oh, you're not as heavy. You ran better than the last one did. The other one just went straight down. Yeah, let's get some. Oh. You gotta walk. Whew. I need to get you away from the bow of the boat, you fucking fish. Coming down, coming down. Oh. Come back this way.
Take through your nose, out your mouth.
Oh, right there, boiler on the top over here. There we go, starting to get some ground on you, motherfucker. Over here, boils at the stern. Or bow, excuse me. Fucking everywhere. Coming down, Bob. You got him? Yeah! Right on top of him. Get some. Oh.
Stay up and down through fish. If he's going down the side, follow your tip.
Okay.
Make that
Look out, Bubba. Let's trade spots. Oh. Come on, coming down, coming down. Yes, sir. Coming down, coming down.
You got a cherry pond.
Shit. Oh, that braid's gonna get all up in my shit. No, you go over me. Come down to the corner, boss. Come down, come down. Yep. Oh, look out, don't drop right there, don't drop right there. Come over, come over. Look out, hey, over, tip, up, over. Thank you.
Coming down, guys.
Got you, got you.
Coming down. Like that, guys. Like that, coming down.
Oh, nothing like it, guys. Nothing like it. Oh, he's taking line. Come over, hey. Come over, over. You, over. Thank you. Oh, you motherfucker. Taking me back down. Coming down, coming down. Oh my God. He is. Oh, don't go into the boat. Coming down, coming down. Oh. Oh no, don't take everything I just gained. 25. Oh man. Oh, this one I'm gonna have to take a break for a minute. Every time I gain a little bit, he takes a lot. Smells fishy up in here.
It does.
Motherfucker, give it up. They're everywhere. Color!
I got color over here.
If he wants to come up.
I got it. Where we at? Where's the color?
Right here, on the right. It's gonna be.
Oh, you're not ready to get. It's got to be having deep color. All right. Gonna make you earn them.
Don't do the same thing the first one did. Don't do the same thing the first one did. And the first one, I got him right here, and then he streaked way back down with another 60 yards.
Huh? I get it. You got him? Right here. You got color yet?
Yeah, he's doing the circle.
You know what that is? Never mind. We're close to the head.
No! God damn it, fish.
First one, second?
Second now. Third one hooked up. I lost the second one. Every time I shit up.
Lift up, lift up. Come on, don't let him whoop you. Lift up one more time and we'll get him. Lift up, lift up.
Yeah!
Got one in the bow.
She's got hers up finally. 22.
Number 22. Get a picture of you with this. Give me your camera. Oh no, never mind.
No, I got the first one already. I'm cool. I'm gonna. I'll get. Oh. Oh shit. Good girl. You get it? Nice.
22.
Yes, sir.
23.
Don't do that to me. Oh, nice one.
Finally.
Get it, son. Yeah. Well, he took you for a run, huh?
I got it for the kelp.
Oh, that's what it was. There we go. There we go. Oh, no, 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 no.
Don't go down, relax. Put your rod tip down. I just let it go.
And here, pass it to me.
It's somebody's trash. I'm just trying to help the dude.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's hurry it up. Fuck. He's not, it might be a bonito or a calico because it ain't running.
Under.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Here, I'm gonna bring the tip to you. Come on, just cut that shit.
Got one on there?
It's small. It's probably a calico or a bonito.
It's a taco. It's a burrito.
Yep. Thank you, sir. Yeah, that ain't no yellowtail. No.
Alright guys, let's space out.
Oh, there we go. There's a little bit of a run. So tighten up your slack or let me come up. That ain't no yellow. Oh, hey, go up, go up, go up, Bubba.
Bonito?
Probably. It's not.
That's not shaking on that one.
Nah, it's. Oh, it's a barracuda.
Yeah, big old barracuda.
Damn.
That might
That's
be.
a.
No, that's not eagle. Might be.
Might be.
Might be.
Yeah, that's a couple of burritos right there. Bounce it.
Cuda. Cuda.
That makes me stuck with it.
Oh yeah.
You want it?
That thing,
Whatever number. What number are you?
16.
Oh, is it short?
It gotta be 28.
Look at that. Barracuda, boys.
On a hook.
Yep. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen.